Lightning Step was created by treatment center facility operators because there was a gap in software technology in the behavioral health industry. There was segmented software systems, there were CRMs, EMRs, revenue cycle management, also known as practice management solutions, but they were all separated. They oftentimes didn't integrate with each other, and re-data entry came from having to have people manually input stuff from one system to another, therefore caused manual entry errors. Reporting was an issue, and Lightning Step was created to solve that problem in our industry of having one system, CRM, EMR, and revenue cycle management in one product, one solution. Therefore, no reentry of data, no mistyping first name and last name, date of birth, things like that, which really slows down cash flow of the business, has more manpower that's needed within your organization. Lightning Step, I joined in January 2018. Why did I join? I saw the product and I said, wow. And I was currently at that time CFO of a large treatment center provider. Saw the software, I said, wow, this is it. I've been looking for this for 2 years and there hasn't been a solution on the market. The efficiencies this will solve at my organization, I know can be carried to other organizations. I lived the problem firsthand and saw this as the solution to not only my own treatment center, where I worked, but also many others in the industry. What strategic insights did I see from working in treatment centers? The inefficiency, the amount of data entry between one system and another, the miskeying of information between one system to another, and therefore affects the money that comes in the door because of one simple mistake. Let's say a date of birth or the zip code of the patient on a claim form. If that carried over and went from CRM, got checked at that point, the EMR, and this automated billing, that reduces errors so much. What happens is that information that's important to your business can be hiding from you, and you have to dig in to go find it. Where when you have one system, it's right there. There's no hiding between multiple systems and having to aggregate data to figure out, okay, what's the issue with my business? It's right there in front of you. Very easy to find how you can improve your business. The system helps with patient care because the efficiencies of the software help organizations work together cohesively to make sure that they have more time to spend with patients. Also, the frustration of an EMR system can also carry through to the patients and the milieu of the staff. So if they're not happy, if they're frustrated, if they just got finished writing a note and they were frustrated, that may carry over into their session. So the information, the system needs to be efficient to where a clinician is actually happy, which will improve patient care at the end of the day. Also, if you have all the data in one system, you can actually track patient outcomes easier, and you can also figure out what you need to do better as an organization to improve patient outcomes in your treatment center, because that's the most important. And if you can't have that information readily available by having one system, if it's scattered between multiple systems, it's going to be very difficult to track patient outcomes. Lightning Step is on the cutting edge of technology and behavioral health just by providing an all-in-one solution. The long-term vision of Lightning Step is bringing in technology as it comes in and staying ahead of the curve in terms of our technology stack. That is our mission at Lightning Step. The lack of connectivity between systems impedes the quality of care drastically. For example, I know a lot of organizations that use a CRM. They keep a lot of data in that CRM, maybe the pre-admission, maybe contact with the families, things of that nature. That information doesn't always translate in the EMR. So what do they have to do? They have to go read the notes from the CRM. Then they may have to re-enter it into the EMR. And then they have to make sure, but that information is not there anyway. So the next person that touches has to go do the same thing. They have to log into multiple systems. It is completely inefficient the way treatment centers operate nowadays, and Lightning Step brings the efficiency into treatment centers. The aha moment of Lightning Step was pretty amazing. So friend of mine approached me and asked me if I wanted to join the organization. And I was like, all right, let me see what Lightning Step is about. I looked at the system and I said, wow, this is what I've been looking for. And I want to join this and have this be my next venture. And I've been here almost 6 years, and it has been one great adventure, helping many treatment centers along the way. And it has been a fun ride. The future roadmap of Lightning Step and the breadth of partnerships is really thinking about the client. What can the client use to become more efficient, and what will be in the long term to their best benefit?